Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a custom call to action layout using Astra Site Builder. Okay, so to get started, let's head over to our dashboard, hover over Astra and click on Site Builder. Now we're on the Layouts gallery. We can see all the kinds of layouts that we've been able to make, but for today's video, we're going to click on Inside Post or Page Layout, which means it doesn't have to be a call to action. It can be an internal advertisement or something, but let's let you decide on your application if this is right for you. You'll see the difference between hooks and inside post or page layout in a while. Okay, so we're on here on the block editor, and real quick, let's just name this to action. And again, you can use any form of block that you wish. For this one, we'll insert a container, and let's select this one. Where's that layout? Here we go. And let's make something real simple and related to bicycles, as this starter template here is for bicycles. And we'll just have to put some real simple text here. And then we can customize this just like anything else. We can probably make the text smaller by using heading 4, and we can add a quotation here, and let's make it very interesting. All right, and then we'll just customize our text here, and we can probably make this italics and make it small. And then for this one, we can make it large, and probably medium, and bold, and we can highlight these and this one, and then we can change the background color for this quotation. And then this one we might want to put some color as well, or white here. And then for the background, we can make it red. Okay, and then here we can add a button and say shop helmets. And this one we can probably center and make it aligned in the middle. And we can put the hyperlink that takes us to our accessories category. Okay, and that should be good. Let's change up the color of this just so it stands out. And this one we can probably make it a bit bigger. All right. Okay, that looks good. And now let's take a look at the Astra settings. Here we can see that it's automatically selected as inside post or page content. And for location settings, after a certain number of blocks, we can select 3 or 4. And the difference between this and hooks is that hooks you have to select a specific page or section of your website, whereas this, no matter what page you use, it's going to come up after a certain number of blocks. So let's say 5. And for display and user conditions, let's display it on the entire website, or you can have only on a specific area. And we can select it for all users. And we can make sure this is visible in all, as this isn't really something that we'd want to keep from other users. And time event, if you wanted to select a particular time for this to appear. But this is something that's going to be relevant for a very long time, no matter the era, no matter the date. And we can hit on publish, and let's see how it appears on our site after it's done. Okay, and let's check out our site and refresh, let's say, this About Us page, and count down to see if we find it. Okay, so this one was apparently 5 blocks, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we might want to bump that up a little, probably 2 blocks, and let's see how that one looks like. Okay, now let's refresh this About Us page, and it should be here closer to the top, and there we are. right on the helmet. And let's check out our homepage. And sure enough, after a couple of blocks, 1, 2, we have our custom call to action here. So you don't really have to lock it to a certain part of your site, let's say before or after your header or right above your footer. It will automatically adapt and be responsive according to the content that's on your page after a certain number of blocks. Or you can put it before a certain number of blocks as well. So, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.